Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna, and here basically we are discussing the topic that is currency. So he told that basically this is basically part of that Mumbai city equal to Mumbai blood cells, and Mumbai blood cells was basically inside one person body basically. So they basically told that like this basically whole world basically body is connected like this only. Then he told that yes, basically entire world basically software industry basically are running that like this only really. So he told that basically, do we have the data of this basically which person is connected with which softwares? Then he told that basically yes, basically we have it. Because according to that only basically the uh, lots of things basically are generated. Lots of things basically are generated. Then that means you want to say that Mumbai city basically 5 crore population basically are there. So the 5 crore data basically are inside that person body basically. Then he told that yes, basically that 5 crore people basically uh, data are inside that person's body basically. Like this basically, who is that person basically? Yeah? Who is that person basically? That who basically contains this type of information. Then he told that basically he is very critical person basically. So basically nobody basically can't disclose his name also basically. Like this basically he told that like this also things basically are there. Then he basically told that uh, 5 crore people data basically, that means 5 crore people basically 1 crore one person basically blood cells basically contains more than 6 crore blood cells. Then he told that yes, basically more than 6 crore blood cells basically, more than 6 crore blood cells basically. So 5 crore multiplied by 6 crore. So how much basically data basically he have inside the body basically. So he told that basically entire Mumbai population basically is 5 crore. That 5 crore basically has created as a one blood cells, and inside that sub blood cells basically there are 5 crore blood cells. Then he told that basically how, who is that doctor can basically, can you please tell basically who is that doctor basically who is handling the Mumbai blood cells? Then he told that basically yes, basically he is the very famous doctor basically, he is sitting in the very big hospital. He basically gets the very high tight security and royal security and the royal treatment basically, because he is handling the blood cells of Mumbai basically. Then he told, and anything is going to happen to Mumbai, first that person is going to get effect. Then he told that basically he is basically having which type of security basically is having. He what income basically he basically is earning, because if he is having the Mumbai enter blood cells, that means he basically might be having some royalty. Then basically he might be having some big level of amounts. Then he told, and he might be having some big level of post also basically. Then he told that yes, basically he is having. So he told that basically yeah, he is the basically doctor of that particular person. Then he told that oh, that's great doctor basically. Like this he told that basically how many software basically are connected with that particular person basically. Then he told that basically. So you want to say that basically entire companies basically data are also inside that particular person body. Then he told that yes, basically that is also basically like this basically he told that basically entire software company basically data is also inside that particular person body. For example, there are 1 lakh software company in Mumbai city. So 1 lakh blood cells basically and sub blood cells basically are inside his body of the software companies. Then he told that yes, basically. So where is that software company basically who is handling his basically softwares basically? Then he told that basically there might there would be in Mumbai city, or it would be outside Mumbai city. That basically we also don't know basically. That basically also need to check basically. Like this basically he told that basically okay we got actually. Just we basically need the data basically of total softwares basically connected with the sub particular people, who basically contains the each and every city's blood cells basically and each and every area's blood cells. So here basically one person told that basically one person basically is having Mumbai city blood cells. If anything happens to that person basically, then for that basically we have created sub blood cells also basically. For example, Andheri blood cells is there. So one Andheri person basically is created. That person which is going, he is Andheri. That person which is going, he is Vile Parle. That person which is going, that is Mumbai Central. That person which is going, he is Churchgate. That person which is going, he is basically Virar basically. That person which is going, he is basically Bhainder. Oh, so like this basically we have segregated each and everything, because one person basically, if he will get some disease basically, then basically how basically his body basically is going to affect na basically. So like this basically we segregated Andheri blood cells, and if anything is going to is anything basically is happening to the Andheri blood cells only, then only that particular person will repair the data, and then will send the data to that particular person's body basically. So damaged data and repaired data basically, both data basically has to send. So like this he told that basically you can't ignore any of the thing basically, you have to give each and every data, then basically you have to give the medicine. Then he told that, oh, so each and everything basically are tracked. Then he told that yes, basically each and everything basically are getting tracked basically, each and everything basically are getting tracked. So he told that basically like this basically how many people basically are into Mumbai blood cells basic creation. Then he told that basically more than basically lakhs of people basically are there, yeah, because that connects to Mumbai Andheri area. Then in Andheri area basically how many areas are there? In Andheri area itself how many areas are there? Oh, the Andheri area also basically there are many areas. So that also basically has categorized. After that basically the person basically of Mumbai blood cells gets the filtered data, because otherwise basically if any one area basically is going to get effect, then basically his entire Mumbai basically is going to get effect, because his blood cells is connected with Mumbai city. So that's why basically the segregation basically has happened, and each and every people basically are connected with certain level of softwares basically. So like this basically big level software company basically has been designed basically. For example, TCS basically says that basically we have data of this all people basically, means this all people's blood cells data basically we are taking care. Patni computer says that basically we are taking care of this all people blood cells. Capgemini says that basically we are taking care of this all people blood cells. Accenture says that basically we are taking care of this all blood cells basically. Then IBM says that we are taking care of this all. Microsoft is telling this all. Like this, eClearX is telling this all basically. Emphasis is telling this all basically. Like this basically each and every software company basically segregated their task basically. In this basically same thing basically applies here also. Big software companies has converted into small software companies. So big software companies are basically converted into small software companies, and they are doing their task basically. Like Andheri area contains more than 500 areas basically. Like this Andheri basically is a big software company. Under that basically areas basically are small software companies. So same way basically the software companies basically are also designed some same way. Capgemini is one big software company. Small software companies basically are of their child companies basically. Same way Accenture basically is big software company. Child companies are basically small software companies. Like this basically each and every world software companies are divided like this only. So like this basically he told that basically you have the list of each and every software company parent and child data basically. Then he told that parent means big software company and child means big small software company. Then we told that basically yes, basically we have that data basically. So according to that basically data he want to reach to that person's each and every people basically who basically was having the blood cells of each and every city. And this everything is already created basically. This all basically are already created, and like this basically the system is also created. Like this basically the entire world system basically is also created. That basically one example basically I have taken the 3 lakh incidents basically. That 3 lakh incidents is connected with this all blood cells only. This all blood cells only. So in detail basically we are going to discuss in next video basically that how basically the each and every things basically are connected and correlated to each other.